What's going on, everybody? We're here at PRI. I'm with my friend Chris at the ARP booth. And Chris, I was talking to you about something pretty cool earlier. Talk to me about this new tool you guys have.
Yeah, we developed a tool. It's called the stud installation tool. And on our studs where we don't have a bottoming nose feature on some of the kits, this tool allows you to install the stud after you put the head on the block, on the gasket, and you can properly install the stud and get your nut preloaded so you can do your torque procedure.
What led to the development and need of this tool?
Well, we do a lot of R&D in our shop on new engines and old engines alike, and if you put the studs in and you do apply a little bit of a torque to them, and the top of the deck is pushing on the run-out thread, it actually leans the stud over. It has, the studs might be going all different directions, and then when you go to try to set your head gasket onto the block, it won't go over the studs. So you need to go back and make sure you slightly loosen the studs off so they're relaxed in the hole and centered in the hole. Then the next thing that happens is you go to slide your cylinder head on, and if you're rocking it on, you're scraping aluminum shavings into the threads. And in order for us to get a consistent clamp load and installation, the threads need to be clean. So we say make sure you clean your threads, and then you drag the head over them and you put aluminum shavings into them.
And this tool, from what you've demonstrated for me, it looks like you could save a lot of time and hassle and have everything installed 100% correctly.
It's definitely a way to make sure the stud is installed correctly. It's probably going to be a little cleaner because it makes it easier for you to apply the lube outside of the head and apply the lube in the right spots so that you can get a good, consistent clamp load.
I know one thing you said that a lot of people like to put your moly lube on both sides of the washer, all over the head of the bolt and everything. Where are the proper places to put lubrication on a main stud, head stud, any of that?
This is where we always want you to follow the instruction that we send with the kit. ARP is constantly trying to improve the kits, and there might be something you've been doing all along the same way. You've always built this particular engine, but we've made a change in the kit. We've added a feature to a washer, or changed a material, or changed something. So the main thing there is to follow the instructions that came with that kit that you just received, and then follow that installation procedure.
A lot of times when people are putting ARP lube onto, like, say, a set of your head studs or main studs, they put it in wrong locations, they put a lot everywhere. What do you recommend as far as that goes?
What we want you to do there is follow the instructions that come with the kit. As we improve the kits, we might make a change to a washer or nut or a material, and so we're going to put the most updated instruction with that kit, and that's what we want you to follow, where to put the lube, whether we want it on both sides of the washer, one side of the washer, in the thread. It's in the instruction.
All right, Chris, thanks for showing us this tool. It looks like it's pretty cutting edge, and I don't think anybody else out there has something like this. If somebody wanted to order this tool, where could they go?
You go to arp-bolts.com and request the information about the kit.
Sounds good. Thanks a lot, Chris, for taking the time to talk to us, and make sure that you stay tuned right here, coming out with new stuff every single day. Power Automedia and PRI.